Now I know the title and thumbnail of this video said there'd be no talking, but I lied. People will lie to you, my friends. That is a life lesson you should take away from this video. But the reason I wanted to yap to you guys here right at the end of the video is because, well, I need an excuse to make this video 8 minutes long, but also videos like these are pretty much the entirety of what the channel membership consists of. There's like 20 videos just like this where I'm just playing. So if you like these videos where I'm just playing guitar, maybe you could join the channel membership and get more of them. Yeah, I figured I might as well do this as like a trial run or just like a free little demo of the kinds of videos you can get if you join the channel membership. So you can join the channel membership if you want. Tiers start as low as 3 schmeckles. Oh my God, my nose hurts. I'll explain more about that in the next video, but we're still gonna have a regular upload on the weekend, but I just figured I might as well throw this video in there in the middle of the week. But yeah, the video for this weekend is gonna be about this demented thing, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, that's about it. Bye.